Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, playlists are the perfect way to organize your music, whether it's your workout mix, chill vibes, or even road trip essentials. But what happens when you lose signal halfway through your drive? The music stops unless you have downloaded the whole playlist beforehand. So downloading an entire playlist in Amazon Music takes just a few seconds, and then you can listen to every song in any order with zero data and zero interruptions. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you exactly how to download a playlist for offline listening in Amazon Music, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, we want to open our Amazon Music and access our library by tapping the icon at the bottom. So for you guys who actually owns the app, who owns the basically Prime whatsoever, go through your playlist to see all the playlists you have created or followed. Choose the playlist you want to download, tap on it to open it. Look near the top for basically the playlist screen. You will see a download icon. It looks like a cloud with a downward arrow. Sometimes it's next to the play button, sometimes in the three-dot menu. Tap the download icon. The app will start downloading every song in that playlist. You will see progress, basically, of the download. So what I mean here is, when all songs are downloaded, you will see check marks next to each track and the playlist will appear in your download section. To find your downloaded playlist later, you're gonna go through library and tap downloads. All your saved playlists will be there and ready to play offline, and that's what you actually want. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.